Hello friends, welcome to B3's Math class. Okay, let's talk about the remaining laws of indices. Here we have fractional indices. Fractional indices. So we have two laws that we are going to combine today. We have a raised to power 1 divided by n, and we have a raised to power n divided by n. Now, there is something you must know about fractional indices. In fractional indices, the numerator, that is the number of, the numerator is always the power, while the denominator is the root. It could be square root, it could be cube root, it could be fourth root, depending on the number you have as the denominator. Okay? Let's solve the first example here. It says simplify 8 raised to power 1 divided by 3. This law is for this one. This law is for this one. So you should know that when you have something like this, first things first, the question is 8 raised to power 1 divided by 3. That's 1/3. It will be equal, because we have 3 here, remember, the denominator is for the roots. Because we have 3, we don't call it square root, we call it cube root. So we have cube root, 3 should be here, cube root of 8. This is 1, so it's raised to power 1. It does not need writing it. So the cube root of 8 is, cube root means, what is that number that when you multiply it 3 times, it will give you the big number in question. Here we have 8. So which number will you multiply 3 times? I did not say any number times 3. No. Which number will you multiply 3 times, like 1 times 1 times 1, or 2 times 2 times 2, or 5 times 5 times 5? Which number will you multiply 3 times to get 8? So the cube root of 8 is equal to, you can check, 2 times 2 is 4, then 4 times 2 will give you 8. 1, 2, 3, we have 3 2's, which means when you multiply 2 3 times, you will get 8. That is to say that the cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Okay, that is that for this. Let's go over to this one. It says, reduce 2 whole number 7/9. 2 whole and 7/9. Raised to power 3 divided by 2. So we have it like this. This particular one is for this law. But remember, they are all fractional indices. So the first thing we are going to do here is that we are going to change this mixed fraction. We are going to change it to improper fraction. I believe you still know how to change mixed fraction to improper fraction. It goes like this. The whole number times the denominator plus the numerator, all divided by the denominator. So we have 2 times 9 plus 7. All of them will be over 9, the denominator. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 7 will give you 25. So we have 25 ninths. In bracket, raised to power 3, 2 down. So with this, we can start solving. Remember, the denominator is for the roots, while the numerator is for the power. You are going to see how this one will come out. So we have, this time is square root because we have to. Let's put our equal sign here. Square root of 25 9 in bracket, raised to power 3. This is also the same as square root of 25 divided by square root of 9, all raised to power 3, like this. Okay, square root of 25 is, it means what is the number you multiply 2 times to get 25, and that number is 5. So we have 5, square root of 9 is 3, all raised to power 3. Remember, when you have raised to power 3, that it does not mean 5 times 3 will not give you 15. That's not what it means. It means 5 times 5 times 5 in 3 places. So we have 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Now 25 times 5. Now 5 times 5 is 25. You have your 5. 5 times carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2. You have 12. So you have 125 as the numerator divided by. Here you have 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So this comes to be the answer to this particular question. Okay, let's go back to this one. This one says simplify y raised to power 1/6. Then you have dot. This dot does not mean decimal. This dot simply shows multiplication. That's times y raised to power minus 2/3 divided by y raised to power 1/4. Okay? We have y. Remember our laws, the initial laws that we talked about. This one is a two-way thing. Because the law is like this, you don't really need to start using square roots, cube roots, or 6 root, anything. You just have to solve direct. Solve the fraction direct. You have y. Let's solve the numerator first. Y raised to power 1/6 times y raised to power minus 2. So remember, in indices, when you have multiplication, it goes as addition. When you want to solve, you solve it as addition. You have y 1/6 plus bracket minus 2/3. This is equal y 1/6 plus times minus is minus 2/3. Here we are going to find the LCM. The LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. 6 divided 6 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Minus 3 divided 6 is 2. 2 times 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 4. This is equals 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Divided by 6. You can divide further. 3 divided 3, 1. 3 divided 6, 2. So what we have here is minus half. But that is not the final answer. Remember, we still have something here. So basically, you can say we have y raised to power minus half divided by y raised to power 4/3. Remember, division in indices stands for subtraction. So we go further. We have y raised to power minus half minus 4/3. We are going to solve the LCM. We have y raised to power minus 1. Okay, let's solve direct. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 2 divided 4 is 2. 2 times minus 1 will give you minus 2. Minus 4 divided 4 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Minus 1. So here we have minus 2 minus 1 will give us minus 3. You are owing 2 naira, you are owing 1 naira, or you are owing 2 pence, you are owing 1 penny. Add the two of them together. It means you are owing 3 pence altogether. So we have y raised to power minus 3/4 as the final answer. Okay, you can do yourself well by going back and watching the video. Just remember to follow the steps. And whenever you have fractional indices, remember that the numerator is for the power and the denominator is for the roots. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share.